Bruce, nice to meet you. What's going on? Whew. What's going on, man? Not too bad. Bruce, nice to meet you, man. Sweet. That ass of the Mclaren, yummy. Alrighty, we've got a nice lineup of cars and bikes, exotics, JDMs, all round fun time. So as you would have seen, we got a Mclaren 720s Spider up the front, a GT3RS, an RS4, C63 AMG, an old school Mustang, I believe an R34, and there are a couple other cars that I'm missing, but yeah, for the most part, it's a sexy little turnout. But I do have to say, the 720S arse end is just next level pretty. Phew! Oof. And the boys in red. We're kind of like the rear guard for the cars by the looks of it. And yes, there's a BMW. I just noticed that there's a BMW in the back. M something. Not important. Nah, BMWs, nah. Hey, we've got the same kind of sequential indicators. Let's go. Mind you, I'm pretty sure if he buggered up, his one would cost more. Now to view the arse end of the GT3RS. Oof, that is a clean arse end. Leading the way essentially. Let the 720S pass. This road is shit. Now that's clean. But in all fairness, that's probably what I would take. great watching like cars pass, like part away when the 720S and the GT3 pop up. Everyone's just like, alright, I'ma move aside, let's go. These clowns are playing risky business with expensive cars. Gotta behave! Fuck knows where that camera is now. Alrighty, I'm unlikely to probably catch up to them, so for what it's worth, that's essentially all I have planned for today. Bro. Yeah, so that's all I've got planned for today. Now that I've kind of just been split off from the rest of the group. Yeah, got a decent amount of footage, so I can't complain too much. It's pretty good. I'm probably gonna find a car park or a fuel station, not this one but another one on the other side, and pull over, see if they're messaged, and see if where the bike group is at. And if I can catch up to them, I can catch up to them, but if I can't, oh hell. Oh hell, oh hell, oh hell. But yeah. Hate red lights and hate ambulances that block you off, eh? But any hoozles, if I don't find them again, I will end the video here. And yeah, I'd like to thank you all for watching, thank you all for coming to my channel again. And if you could hit my channel with a subscribe and a like and a ring-a-ding-ding that notification bell, it would be greatly appreciated. Because I'm trying to grow my channel, trying to provide entertaining bike content for you people on the YouTubes. But for the most part, I enjoy riding, and I enjoy riding, and I want to share that with you with this beautiful bike. So thank you, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Ride safe, peace, and deuces.